Welcome to another session. Today we are going to discuss about ADDS, Active Directory Domain Services. It is the centralized management of users and computers under your server. I will show you how to install ADDS in your server. Click on Server Manager. Here you can see Add Rules and Features. It is the first thing you have to install in your Windows server to manage the entire domain. Before click on Next, you ensure that your administrator account has a strong password and you have configured a static IP address and your Windows updates are completed. So click on Next. Here we are going to do role-based or feature-based installation. Select destination server. Here you can select a server from server pool or select a separate virtual hard disk. Select your server roles you need to install. Here we are going to install Active Directory Domain Services. You can see the description here. What is Active Directory Domain Services? Click on Next. Here you can select the additional features you want to configure with your domain. Click on Next. Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click on Install. Now the ADDS feature is installed. Before going to configuration, I will explain you what is the difference between ADDS and domain controller. AD is Active Directory. It is the collection of users, computers, and other objects of your server. And the domain controller is a system to manage or control entire domain. To configure the domain controller, click on Promote this server to a domain controller link. Here you can create a new forest. Our upcoming videos will discuss more details about forest and provide domain name for the forest. It will create a parent domain. I'm giving the domain name as itadmin.com. Click on Next. Here you can select the functional level of new forest and root domain. It is basically the platform which they are working on. Here I am giving Windows Server 2012. Provide a restored mode password and click on Next. Check your NetBIOS name for future use. NetBIOS is Network Basic Input-Output System of your domain. Click on Next. Specify the location of ADDS database, log files and sysvol. It is better to create a SAN, storage area location, or a storage area network to store all the database and logs. If in case of any emergency or critical situation comes, you can restore back from the SAN area. Review your selection you have made before. Click on Next. It is verifying prerequisites for domain controller. Now you can see all prerequisites checked and passed successfully. Click on Next. Wait for complete the installation. After installation, your server system will reboot. Select Active Directory users and computers. Here you can see the domain. Under the domain, you can see the computers, users, manage security principles, and other objects. That's all about how to create Active Directory domain services and configuration. Thank you.